And that's just going to be a few screws here. Alright, line up the motor side of the transmission case over the pinion shaft. Secure the case to the frame with 4 nuts. The bar must be allowed to pivot about the bolt so that the lugs on the bracket can be engaged or disengaged from the slots on the locking plate. A built-in thermal protector in the motor will prevent it from overheating. The thermal protector restores automatically when the motor cools down. Clean the mixture at the end of each day. Keep your mixture clean. Yeah, you know about that. Okay, so let's take a look and see what it's going to take to get that motor on there. Well, that looks pretty easy. Got 4 bolts on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. This shaft has a slot in it. This is set already so that if you put it on there with it sitting like this, it should line up with the slot. It's going to be easy breezy. There you go. 4 little locking screws. Don't seem to weigh a whole lot, so that should work. Bring it all over here where you can see. Basically, just putting these little locking nuts right on here, like that. That one doesn't want to go on there without cross threading. Okay. I can deal with that. That might have got scarred up. I mean, that bolt might have got scarred up a little bit.